future dance choreographers, we're going to go over some if structures inside of Java. So what I have right here is a classic question. We're going to ask the user, so we're using our scanners, what is your age? So inside of this, we're going to determine whether or not someone is young, middle-aged, or old. That's it. We're not passing judgment on anyone. All ages are wonderful. You should enjoy them while you're young, middle-aged, or old. And old will just say that you're well to the world. Anyways, we're going to use an if structure. So basically, using this integer age, which we gathered using our next int over here, and our scanner, we are going to determine whether or not someone is going to be classified as young, middle-aged, or old. So we're going to use an if statement for this. Now we haven't used if statements, but they work very similarly. But our condition has to be in parentheses. So we're going to see more parentheses and more brackets inside of Java, just like I promised. So if age, we're going to say if age is less than 35, we are going to close that up, and then we need to start a bracket. Our condition is now going to be inside of this bracket. So inside of this if statement, we are going to throw in our system.out.println, and we will go through here and say you are young. So we've got that right there. And now if we wanted to throw in that middle range for our if structures, we don't use an elif, we use an else if, which is what elif is short for. So inside of here, we're going to put our condition in this range. So we are going to do age is greater than or equal to 35, and now this is a new symbol. And inside of Java is and. You need two ampersands right there. And age is less than 65. We are going to close this up, throw in our brackets, and we can use another, I'm just gonna copy this, paste it over here. You are middle aged. And we need to close this one up, so we'll close that right here. And now we can do an else statement. So we can do our else right over here, open up our bracket, close our bracket. I'm gonna move over and print this out. So else, you are old, but it's not a bad thing. I'm actually gonna put that. You are old. Not a bad thing. Cool. And there we go. Let's compile this. Compiling is done. Wonderful. Now we can go over here. I've got it named if structures. I can run this. What is your age? Let's throw in we'll do 67. You are old, not a bad thing. Perfect. So those are our if structures, the big things that we've got from this. You're using your conditions inside of our parentheses. We've got brackets that close everything. And looks like this. I should say or is shift on the / so it's these straight up bars. So it's or is two of these. So you need or, kind of like a seal. I don't know if that helps you remember it. Anyways, that's it. Bye. Talk to you later.